alaikum, dear students. Hope you are doing well. This is your English period. Please open your books. So far, we have finished our summary and reading of the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. And today we are going to start its exercises. And the first exercise on page number 13 is about suffixes. We have done a lot about suffixes in our previous classes. Again, I will recall its definition first. That suffixes are the letter or group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. So here from its definition we come to know that the purpose of suffixes is to create a rich vocabulary first. Then another purpose of suffix is to change the meaning of the word. And the main purpose of suffix is to show what class of word it is. For example, either it is the word is noun or it is adjective. So here in this exercise, they want us to add the suffix y to these words and then use the new words, which are the adjectives you have made in the sentences of your own. The first word is fluff. Fluff is noun itself. When we will be adding y with it, it will become fluffy. That is adjective. Noun will be changed into adjective by adding y at the end of it. Got it? And they want us to make sentence about it. Always use fluffy towels of cotton, or we should always use fluffy towels of cotton. Second is fun. That is noun, and when we will be adding y, it will become funny, which is adjective. She amuses us a lot being funny, or you can say she's very funny. Leaf. It is noun itself. When we will be adding y at the end of it, it will become leafy, and leafy vegetables are best for health. Sugar. Sugar is a noun, and when we will be adding y, it will become sugary, and every time you eat sugary items, your teeth will spoil. Bend. Bend is noun. When we will be adding y, it will become bendy, and bendy is an adjective. The car was swinging on smooth and bendy road. Students, the next exercise is also about suffixes. Here they want us to add the suffix y to the following where possible. And the important note here is not all the words can take the suffix y. So check in the dictionary and be careful about spelling changes this time. The first word is red. When you will be adding y at the end of it, there will be spelling changes, and there will be you can say little bit of meaning changes as well. So red will be changed into ruddy, R-U-D-D-Y, and ruddy means having a healthy reddish color. Run. When we will be adding y, it will change into runny, and there will be also spelling changes here, R-U-N-N-Y. C. Shade will be turned into shady when we will be add y at the end of this word. Students, there will be no change with close. There will be no change with shout. And here comes another word, thorn. It will change into thorny when we will be adding y at the end of it. Weight will be changed into weighty, but cold will not be changed. We cannot add y at the end of cold. Snow will be changed into snowy, and sun will be changed into sunny. In these two exercises of suffixes, what objectives we achieved after doing them, that our main purpose of suffixes was to show what class of words it was. They were all nouns before, and when we added y at the end of the words, they turned and changed into adjectives, right? And what another purpose we got, that we got a rich vocabulary and we got different meanings of the word, same word. Hope you have understood the activity. Inshallah, with some other exercises we will meet tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.